This is going to be resetting the oil maintenance light for a 2010 Honda Insight. What you're going to need to do is turn the key to the second position. So turn the key, dash is going to come up, and you're going to get the regular menu, fasten seatbelt, and all that other good stuff. You can hit the selection button right here on the right hand side. You're going to cycle through till you get to oil life. When you get to oil life, what you want to do now is you want to just hold this down. So we're going to hold this down probably about 20 seconds. So just start your countdown. It's about 20-30 seconds. After you're holding it down, it should start to blink. Oh, actually, it's something to say reset. So then you're going to take this and you're going to turn it to reset. You're going to hit the button again. So you turn the knob to select reset, press it, and it changes back oil life to 100%. So again, what you want to do is turn the key to the second position, hold this down till you, or tap this to get to the oil life, hold it down, and then the reset menu will come back up. Turn the knob to select reset, hold it down one more time, and it resets the oil light. Thank you for watching.